Hello Snowflake engineers and welcome to the video. If you don't know me, I am Sujit Nair, a cloud data architect. I am also a Snowflake Snowpro certified professional. In today's video, I will be covering certification question related to Snowpro. Let's begin.
What is the clustering depth of a table with no micropartitions? So I'll give you 3 seconds to try and answer this question before I jump into the answer. And the right answer to this question is 0. Before I get into a demo to show that the clustering depth of a table with no micropartitions is actually 0, let's try and better understand this question. We know that when rows are inserted into Snowflake, micropartitions are created. So the question is, can we have a Snowflake table with no micropartitions? And the answer to that question is yes, we can have a table in Snowflake with no micropartitions. However, only a table with no data in it absolutely would be a table with no micropartitions, because as soon as you insert even a single row into the table, what is going to happen is that Snowflake will create micropartitions in it. So having understood that a table with no data is a table with no micropartitions, let's jump into the demo. What I'm going to be doing here is that I'm going to create a target database, and I'm going to use that target database. I'm going to use the public schema inside that target database, create a new table, and since this is a new table, there is no data in it. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to check the clustering depth of it. And as you can see here, the clustering depth of a table with no micropartitions or a table with no data is 0.